This is the video tour for the 2019 Ford Transit Connect, the cargo van. We'll go ahead and do a nice little walk around here. We'll start it up, we'll show you the interior, all that good stuff. This one does have the parking sensors on the back. It's been fully serviced through our service shop. Everything that has been done to it. Pennsylvania state inspection and emissions. We'll go ahead and start it up now. Starts up nice and easy. Got your hands-free controls here, cruise control, radio control. Little doodads over here. When you put it in reverse, you got your backup camera right there. And of course you can connect your phone, Bluetooth, as well as AM, FM, XM, all that good stuff. Climate control, you got your USB plugs here. Little console right there. Looking back here, you got your bulkhead to keep you from your tools. Little fire extinguisher there. And now we'll hop out, check out the back. You got your first sliding door right here for easy access. You have sliding doors on both sides. And then here in the back, you got your glass barn doors with the metal protectors. A little shelving unit in here for you, perfect for storing whatever you need to store, but there's also plenty of transportation cargo room in this one. It's got the Ranger design, and yeah, more information you can find on our website, pinetreemotors.com. We have a variety of trucks, SUVs, utility vehicles, utility vans, cars, all that kind of good stuff. So go ahead and check us out, pinetreemotors.com. And I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. All right, have a good one.